What are you watching?
Okay. All right, now try and can you squeeze it out?
I don't know what to think. Allison is too cute.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, maybe this way would be good. Oh, we got you.
What's Timmy doing?
You guys are doing good.
Oh, pet, please, baby.
There's a baby. Can you give baby a kiss? Give Allison a kiss.
Hello.
Give Allison a kiss.
Hello. Hi.
Can you give her a kiss? Oh, good kisses.
Baby, baby, yeah, baby.
Let's try and get you
What do you think about the headstock, Bethany?
I don't know. It's pretty funny. Bubble.
Oh, you said love you?
The baby kiss the baby.
How he got it in there in the first place?
Baby up high.
Can we go through this way? This way would be good.
What do you think about the baby and Timmy? Are they silly?
You guys are doing good.
Baby! 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 No, baby! Baby!
Oh, there's Allison. There's a baby. You see her?
Yeah! I see her!
Hi.
What?